What's in the night sky this week? Well, this week I'm gonna say take a closer look at Jupiter if you haven't already done so. It rises pretty high in the southern sky in the late evening night time, and you'll see it as a really bright star in that direction. It will be pretty clear which one it is when you look. Looking through a pair of binoculars will also allow you to just about see its moons, which is really incredible. If you do want to image Jupiter and its moons, then you'll need a pretty powerful telescope with high magnification to get the surface details. Ideally, you'll want stable air conditions where there is also high pressure, as this is important when imaging planets. Jupiter was recently at opposition with Earth, and it was the closest it will be for our entire lifetime. So even now, if you see it, you'll probably get a really good view, and it's still one of the best times to take a photo of it as well, if you do want to capture the surface details. Also, if you are looking at Jupiter, you might also want to cast your eyes towards Saturn, and you'll do this by looking to the right of Jupiter, and it will appear as a dimmer star. The reason it's dimmer is because A, it's smaller than Jupiter, and it's also about twice as far away. Both are really incredible targets to look at through a telescope, and I would strongly recommend that you check them out if you haven't already done so. For more updates on what's in the night sky, be sure to hit that like button and also the subscribe button so you're notified in the future.